In this video, I'm going to show you a comparison between TapTap Send and Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, to help you decide which one is best for your international money transfers. Both apps offer unique advantages depending on your needs. TapTap Send is designed for fast, fee-free transfers to countries in Africa and Asia. It specializes in mobile money and bank deposits with competitive exchange rates and no hidden costs. It's ideal for personal remittances to friends or family, especially in developing regions. Wise, on the other hand, is known for transparent pricing and mid-market exchange rates. It charges a small upfront fee, but offers some of the best value when transferring larger amounts across borders. Wise also supports multi-currency accounts, making it a great option for freelancers, digital nomads, or expats. If you're sending money frequently to specific countries with mobile wallets, TapTap Send is simple and effective. But if you want low-cost, accurate currency conversions and more financial tools, Wise could be a better fit. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.